like to do this is to add a little bit of oil to my and if you keep bananas in water, it will make it a little bit easier to peel. I'm gonna cut those off, cut both ends off. Then I'm just gonna score the banana. Sometimes I do it a couple of times. In the water, just kind of peel back with your finger. Now you'll see a lot of people, they boil the banana in the skin and then take the skin off. I like to take the skin off my banana first and then boil it without the skin. I mean, either way, it's fine. You can peel it back. Yeah, just pushing against it. You gotta mixing up some dumpling to boil with my bananas, and just add a teaspoon of cornmeal to the mix, a little bit of salt, and then you just add a little bit of water and mix it in. Just gonna form this into a dough. A little bit of water at a time. You don't want to spoil it. Put too much water in it one time, it's spoiled. You just, I mean, it's not a biggie. If that happens, just add some more flour to it, and you're good. Right, you got your doughs all done. What you gotta do is just break it off, so roll it up. And just do it like that. You just drop the bananas right in. I've already got the dumplings in there. Just drop the banana right in, and just let it boil until tender. And guys, there's the boiled bananas, done and looking good, and dumplings all boiled. Just put them all in one pot.